everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to return an item on the Amazon app right from your phone. So if you bought something by mistake, changed your mind, or received the wrong item, don't worry because the process is actually very simple. If this video helps you out, let me know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe for more tutorials. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open the Amazon app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're inside the app, tap on the profile icon down here at the bottom of the screen, and then go to Your Orders. Now, look for the item that you want to return and tap on it to open the order details. After that, scroll down a little bit and tap on Return or Replace Items. Amazon is now going to ask you why you want to return the product, so just select the option that matches your situation and tap on Continue. Then, choose if you want a refund or a replacement, depending on the options available for your order. In my case, I'm going to choose the original payment method, which means the money will be refunded back to the same card I used to pay. Next, you'll see the available return methods. For example, Amazon might give you the option to drop the package off at a return location, schedule a pickup, or use a printer-free return. Just select the method you prefer and continue. Now, confirm the return request, and Amazon will generate the return label and instructions for you. After that, you just need to pack the item securely in a box, place the barcode inside the package, and attach the return label on the outside. Also, make sure to remove or cover any old shipping labels before sending it back. And finally, take the package to the selected drop-off location or wait for the pickup if you chose that option. And that's it. Now you know how to return an item using the Amazon app.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!